Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. The hat is on, which means I've just got back from the grocery store and I thought I would show you guys exactly what I picked up. I just went to Aldi today purely because we needed meat and things like that, so I didn't want to have to go to both, so I went to Aldi because normally I do an Aldi and Tesco, but we'll do Tesco during the week. It was really busy with it being a Sunday, so I thought I'd show you what I've got. And we've started picking up things for Christmas, so some chocolate, mince pies, that kind of thing, and then we'll do a massive Christmas shop a few days before Christmas, which I'm sure I'll show you guys when the time comes, but I'm just going to share it with you. We spent just under £150, so a lot, but we bought alcohol, batteries, wrapping paper, a doormat, so I'm going to show you all of that now in no particular order. I'm just going to get the bags on the worktop as usual, go through them and put them away. Hope that's okay, I hope you can see me. I'm going to start off with bag number one, and the first thing we have is celebrations. You know it's Christmas when you start picking up the big drums of chocolate. This was actually £3.99. Normally supermarkets sell them for about a fiver. Aldi do them for £3.99, so I was happy to get that. Again, this is in no particular order. So we now have some chicken breast fillets. We have some lighter cheddar. Honestly guys, I keep forgetting to pick it up just regular. It's so ingrained in me, but I enjoy it. It's not too much of a big deal. I also have a ribeye steak here that I'm going to enjoy. I got some chicken thigh fillets. These are with the skin off and the bone, but they're a nice fatty cut of meat, so I use them for curries, and I also use them for like the kish chicken nuggets and that kind of thing. It's really delicious. Next we have some 15% steak mince, another one of those. I also have some lamb mince, which is essential in my kitchen. We have some diced chicken breasts as well, another one of the mini fillets because they only did the small packs today for some reason. We also have another mince meat. This is the steak mince, 15%. Garlic bread, which has been so hard to come by recently. A regular mature, not mature actually, a medium cheddar, the reason I've had the mature. An aubergine, how could I not pick up an aubergine? Some double cream, which is fantastic for making all kinds of things, and hot chocolate and that sort of thing. Some reduced fat sausages. We always get the reduced fat because we like the taste. We have some unsmoked pancetta here, which is perfect for a bolognese or with scrambled egg. We have a chicken and gravy pie, which is definitely for Andy. We also have some dry cured bacon rashers, which are streaky. I like to put these over a chicken that I'm cooking or roasting. I also like to put them over cooked meats, and with scrambled eggs as well. It's really delicious. So we have one of those. We're going to put all this away and we'll get on to bag two. Okay, so bag number two, we have some crisps here. These are just kind of like the what's it crisps. We have some Quality Street, a must for prepping for Christmas. We have a bottle of Prosecco. Our plan is to pick up a bottle every time we go into a supermarket and have a little stash. Same with batteries. We're picking up batteries now so that, you know, it doesn't mount up, and we have all the batteries we need for the kids' toys. I picked up a chicken tikka masala, a quick ready meal, a Quickster, which is like a I think Andrew's picked this up by accident because this is a breakfast muffin.
I just fancied a dirty breakfast one day.
Oh right, okay. So we have some cooked ham here as well, just some regular sandwich ham, some fresh parsley, some ribbon. This is some really lovely Christmas ribbon for wrapping, so we have that. We also have some 10 pasta, some really green bananas that I love. We also have 2 apples. These are cooking apples, so I'll be making a crumble with those because the crumble went down a treat. And I also have some extra blackberries as well. We have a tin of chopped tomatoes, another tin, some plant cream, which I'm always stoked that Aldi stock, and finally in this bag some oranges as well. Next bag we have some chocolate. Now this is actually a selection box which is dairy free, which is perfect for Andrew. It's got no gluten, no soya, no palm oil and no dairy, which is fantastic. So we picked up one of those. More stocking fillers. We've got some fruit pastels, Haribo sweets, 2 packs of those, some, what are they called? Oh my god, sausage rolls. More pen pasta. We've got some spaghetti, a nice big pack of that. We also got some Smarties. Now we're also doing a stocking for my mum this year because hopefully we'll have my mum for Christmas, so we're doing her a stocking as well. So we got 2 packs of Maltesers. We got a chocolate orange, 2 of those because Andrew and I share a stocking, so that'll be going in there and one in my mum's. We also have a lamb Rogan Josh ready meal, a seeded loaf, which I really like these, they're really delicious. We have some rosemary, some onions, some bacon, minstrels, my mum's stocking because she loves them. We also have, this look delicious, a chocolate salted caramel bomb. I'm well excited to have that. We got some IKEA looking meatballs just in a tray for Layla and Harrison to try. Our first box of mince pies. Now you know it's Christmas when you start looking up for the mince pies. We got this luxury cracker for my mum's stocking. This is chocolate truffles. We got one of those. I got myself a small Christmas pudding as well one night. I can snuggle up on the sofa. I got 2 cans of the pink gin. Actually, one's a pink gin and one is a spice plum and clementine. Again, these are stocking fillers. I also got 2 miniature bottles of prosecco, again for the stockings. So they'll be lovely. I got some brioche buns, and then finally in this bag we have another lamb mince. In there now, just this bag and one more to go. So I have some more gift wrap tags. So this is just like a ribbon, and I love the tartan one, so we got that, and it would just be nice for wrapping gifts. Let's make sure that you guys are in focus, because this camera, I feel like I'm going to be replacing it soon, hopefully not too soon. I have 3 cartons of lactose-free milk, because we recently ran out of that. Oh no, this is apple juice. So 2 lactose-free, 1 apple juice, pink lady apples, some Kinder Buenos, another pack of miniature mince pies. We've got 2 packs of mince pies. I'm not going to complain because I love them, and we're going to need some more Christmas. We have Coke, 2 bottles of Coke Zero, which of course is a must for me. The Ridge Crisp, the meat selection, some tortellini for Harrison, he really enjoys that. More pens. 2 packets of microwavable basmati rice, ideal for, again, with a micro curry, something quick for dinner. Fresh coriander, more blackberries, and finally in this bag a tin of chopped tomatoes. Last bag now, guys. I have some apple juice, another carton of lactose free, a nice big family carton of orange juice. This is the smooth. We have some mixed seedless grape, more Duracell batteries, because can you really have enough around Christmas time? Another lactose free, a microwavable rice, and finally a tuna pasta bake micro meal. So that is everything. That is everything that we picked up, and we spent again just under £150, so not too bad for everything we picked up, considering there's alcohol, gift wrap, batteries, meat, steak, prosecco. It's a really good one, so I hope you've all enjoyed it. I did mention we got gift wrap, but I forgot to show it you. So we got this pepper Christmas one, which I thought was really sweet, especially when it comes to nieces and nephews that are younger, and Harrison and Layla still love pepper anyway. And we also got this Mickey Mouse one, which both of my kids will love. They are 5 meters each, and they were 99p, which I thought was a bargain. Actually, Andy, pass me that. One thing I didn't forget to mention, we also picked up a, what's it called? A doormat for the kitchen, which is a nice bright red one. Not for the kitchen, sorry, for the front door. Honestly, I need to sit down, but it's just a nice bright red one. It says Merry Christmas. This was $3.99, so I'm going to go and pop that on the front porch, and that is everything. So thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.